What's up? On the way to the garage to install some Dynamat. First step is to clean out the trunk. Alright, so with the Dynamat, everything that's metal, we're going to be placing it on, rolling it on, and first we got to clean it off. I'm going to take these, kind of spray down the inside. So we want to make sure this is all dry before we put the Dynamat down, so I'm going to let it sit for a while. Alright, so next steps is need to get the Dynamat. So got that right here. And then also other tool. This little roller from Amazon too apparently makes it a lot easier. And the Dynamat needs to stick completely to the ground, or like the metal, to work best. Next steps, installing. Save all these little pieces, they can be used all over. Plus, this is like $1 a Dynamat. Sheet 3. Alright, so I've seen online and I've read that basically once you get about 50% coverage, the Dynamat is doing like a lot of the job. So I think to finish this up, I'm just going to do kind of this panel back here. It's a huge panel that's hollow. This is pretty well like not resonating at all, so road noise won't be that bad there. So basically I'm going to do this and this side over here, and maybe this big metal chunk right here with some of the smaller pieces, and then that'll probably be it for the trunk, and I'll probably see how that goes.
What we do here is go back.
Alright, so for smaller pieces like this, basically you just gotta do some patchwork. right, so we're about, let's see, 1, 2, 3.5 sheets. I think 3.5, and got pretty good coverage. All right, so with that other half of the sheet, decided to just throw it up here on the trunk so that hopefully it'll deaden some of that noise. Time to clean up. As soon as I go over a bump, this is going everywhere. All right, let's see how it sounds. Hopefully it helps. And it's actually pretty quiet, so it seems like it works pretty well. Yeah, it's awesome. So definitely say this is a pretty good mod to do. Took about an hour, I would say, and it's pretty fun. Gonna do it, did it just on the trunk, so I'm probably gonna add it to the doors as well, and then that'll cut down even more. So yeah, thanks so much for tuning in. Go ahead and like the video and subscribe. I'll see ya.